KuCoin is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world today. It was listed by Forbes in 2021 as one of the best crypto exchanges in the world. It has a lot of features and trading options that has attracted many of its users. The crypto exchange has its native token, the KuCoin token, which trades by the symbol KCS. Now, welcome to the Financial Markets Examiner YouTube channel, where you learn about forex, cryptocurrency, and the stock market. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, you can do that now and like our previous videos. In this video, we will learn about the KuCoin exchange and its native token KCS. Here are some important things to know about the KuCoin exchange. 1. KuCoin was launched in 2017 as a crypto exchange platform that provides several trading options. 2. There are over 6 million users of KuCoin exchange today. 3. The trading options in the exchange include spots, margin, futures, P2P trading, lending, and staking. 4. The exchange claims to offer the most advanced level of security. 5. There are nearly 400 cryptocurrencies to trade in the exchange. These include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solano, USDT, and so on. What is KuCoin token? The native token of the KuCoin exchange is referred to as KuCoin token, KCS. It was officially debuted in 2017 as a profit-sharing token that allows traders to value from the exchange. The total supply of KCS was set at 200 million. There is a planned buyback and burn until just 100 million KCS remain. The price of KCS is 1.48 USD. It is currently ranked 46th among thousands of crypto assets by CoinMarketCap. The total market cap of $1,031,102,391 USD. There are 98,379,861 KCS in circulation with a maximum supply of 170,113,638 KCS. What makes KuCoin unique? The trading options have prompted many to use this exchange. Its beginner-friendly features as well as its charges fee, which is the lowest in the industry, makes it one to consider. It is however unique because of its staking opportunities, and users can make a passive income when they join the KuCoin community. Those that hold on for their dear life, more than 6 KCS, have the opportunity to earn a daily bonus. How to use KuCoin exchange? KuCoin has been designed to allow its users to buy, sell, and safely hold several other cryptocurrencies, and this could be via its online platform or mobile application. You can register an account using just an email address or a phone number. You can trade the crypto of your choice with its beginners-friendly interface. How to use the KuCoin token KCS? There are several applications and uses of the KuCoin token. 1. It is used to pay trading fees. 2. It is used to participate in events and token sales features on the exchange. 3. It is used as a payment method for lots of applications. This ranges from gaming to NFTs and even travels. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Hope to see you on the next video. You can get more of this video on this channel by clicking the subscription button, and don't forget to also like the video. And note that this video is not financial advice but for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.